Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap review video, I'm going to show you how you can use the free tools within LeadsLeap to build a business online. I'm going to show you the proof here on this page, and this is all done with a copy and paste share code. So you don't have to create anything. All you have to do to get a landing page like this, which got results like this, is use a share code that if you join our team, we will give you for free. Here's an example. This is a success guide we created, and all you would do is use a page share code like this, and it automatically gives you success guides, it gives you lead capture pages, it gives you email follow-ups, and you can start to build a list with a done for you system totally for free. We even show you where to get the free traffic. So I tested this particular lead capture page here. What I do is I always test it first. It was a copy and paste share code given to me by one of our team members, and I tested it on a free platform, and I got here I got 20, I think it was 20 opt-ins here. So 1, 4, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 there, 17, 19 and 20, roughly 20 within that month, and that's totally through paid traffic. So once you see that you test it and it converts with paid traffic through one platform, you can then start to promote the lead capture page on other free traffic platforms, and then you're confident that it works, and you can then start to even be confident to promote it with some paid traffic and scale up faster. So this is the lead capture page here, and all I did was copy and paste. We've got a success guide that we also have created as well. So we are going to, within our team, going to be creating more lead capture pages, more success guides. This one here, if you want to join LeadsLeap for free and use this easy cash for ads success guide, you'll see here it's tutorials. All you do is copy and paste a share code, and automatically you'll get a page like this done for you, and all of your links will be put into here. This is a done for you funnel. You would have to change these links in here to your affiliate links, but these are also traffic and lead generation sources, and you can change these if you want to do, but the tutorial show you exactly how to put your affiliate links in here. And then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've got an extra 5 income streams within this done for you funnel. And you'll see here tutorial, get your free training page like this. We give you the share code, join LeadsLeap for free, and then when you promote this, then your referrals will join LeadsLeap, and then they will also join these free traffic sites, and you can earn free credits, more free traffic, and affiliate commissions as a free member within these 5 sites here. So this is very powerful. This is something that saves you a lot of time. It saves you a lot of effort. We give you the lead capture page, we give you the success guide, we give you the follow-up messages. So not only do people opt in here into the list, we give you the follow-up messages. I think we've got 15 follow-up messages that will go out for you, that you can actually send out. As a free member, you've got to send them out as a broadcast with LeadsLeap, but as a pro member, it's automated. But you can do this totally for free, and there'll be a link in the description to join LeadsLeap, and this is the back office there. I started out as a free member, and if you see here, even as a pro member, you can earn affiliate commissions. So you'll see on the left hand side here, these are all the free benefits. On the right hand side, the pro. But as a free member, you can still earn recurring commissions, 25% recurring commissions for anybody that upgrades to pro. You can stay free forever if you wish to do so, and anybody who upgrades like me as a pro member, the person that referred me, is getting 25% recurring commission, or 50 if they're a pro member, for all the time that I'm using LeadsLeap. And I've been using this long term because I'm using the tools every single day and the traffic to build my online business. And let's just have a little recap here. So there'll be a link in the description where you can join LeadsLeap for free, get free traffic, free marketing tools, free tools to build any online business you're promoting. And if you join our team, we're going to give you all the copy and paste share codes totally for free. And then these lead capture pages and success guides will literally, just like magic, be automated with your affiliate links in there. And you can earn residual income as a free member of LeadsLeap. If you want to upgrade to pro at any point, you can do. You can come and go. You can upgrade, downgrade whenever you want to do. The choice is totally yours. And also, I'll also give you one-to-one mentoring, training, and support, because I use these tools every single day to build my online businesses. So if you've enjoyed the video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support me on my YouTube journey. And giving me a like will also help other people. Helps you. YouTube will promote the video more, and it helps other people see this video and help them make money online as well. And please click subscribe and the bell icon for all my new videos. I do several new videos every single week, and my channel now has got over 300 videos on here. We've got the core fundamentals of making money online, which are tools, traffic, and training. So all the tools, free tools, paid tools, how to get traffic, free traffic, paid traffic. Lots of training here for you. You need training as well. And we've also got some opportunities that may interest you. We show you proof of income. So we show you that things are actually working. I started everything for free and I'm building this up nicely. And we've also got some list building information, how to build an email list. And we've also got how to build a YouTube channel as well. So if you've enjoyed the video, then have a look at some playlists of mine. What I'll do is I've got a playlist on LeadsLeap reviews, which I'll pin to the top comment below this video. So if I just show you that here somewhere, if I can find it, that's it here. So LeadsLeap reviews, I've done 14 videos here on all different aspects of LeadsLeap. It's more than just a copy and paste share code platform. It's been online since 2008, and it's traffic tools. It's used by a lot of experienced marketers. So have a look at some of the great functionalities within the LeadsLeap platform that you can use to build any online business. And if you've enjoyed the video, then so if you've got any questions, then please leave those in the comments below. I answer all my questions that my viewers ask. And if you've got any videos you'd like me to create, any suggestions on some videos you'd like me to create, then if you put those into the comments below, then I'll create those for you. And I think I just forgot to suggest, yeah, that this LeadsLeap reviews playlist will be pinned to the top comment below this video. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.